So welcome back to my channel, my viewers and my subscribers. I am just here today giving you guys another update on the Nubian goat. So here you guys can see they are feeding. So please remember to like, comment and subscribe for a lot more update, and for anyone who would like any Nubian ewes and ram to purchase, I'm going to leave a number down below so you guys could call if you are interested.